everyone, welcome to the episode 1 of the News November series. ICICI Bank announced its second quarter results and I will discuss its highlights which will give a quick sneak peek into the results and as an investor what you should do. Before that, please subscribe to my channel Formulating Finance and don't forget to press the bell icon. Profit after tax was rupees 4251 crore in the second quarter, that is from July to September, compared to rupees 655 crore in 2019 second quarter. A six-fold jump in its net profit is observed. Total deposits grew by 20% year-on-year to rupees 832,936 crores at September 30th, 2020. Asset quality has also improved and net non-performing assets ratio decreased from 1.23% at June 30th, 2020 to 1% at September 30th, 2020. Bank even made a COVID-19 related provision at rupees 8772 crore on September 30th, which is a good sign. Talking about its income sources, net interest income, which is the difference between interest income a bank earns from its lending activities and the interest it pays to its depositor. It increased by 16% year-on-year to rupees 9366 crore in the second quarter from rupees 8057 crore in quarter 2 last year. Treasury income was rupees 542 crore. The retail loan portfolio grew by 13% year-on-year. There has been an increase in auto loan and mortgage loan disbursements. Mortgage disbursements crossed pre-COVID levels and reached an all-time monthly high in September. Banks has been taking initiative in digital perspective also, and digital transaction has been increasing in the bank, which will help the bank to reduce the expenses in the future years. Overall performance has been really good for the quarter and it is a good time for the bank. Plus, Diwali is approaching in mid-November, so money spending will be there. But still, there is volatility due to second wave of corona in different nations and the ambiguity that whether India is still prepared for the next wave. Investors should wait for the next quarter to review the effect of festivals and how much normalizing has happened in terms of loan book and the second wave of corona. I hope you got a quick review of ICICI Bank results. Do like the video, share and subscribe to my channel Formulating Finance and press the bell icon. Thank you.